YouTube. Oh my gosh, YouTube. Yeah. We've been having so many storms lately. This is ridiculous. This is Divinity Shouty reporting the storm. I thought I was recording, and I was not. I probably need to go take my safe spot. But y'all know me, I'm a country girl. I gotta see what's going on. This is outside of my apartment. Let's go. Everybody is outside. We're supposed to be in our tornado shelters. Look at this. Look at them. Can y'all see them? Oh, well, they done went in now. Okay, I hear some stuff. I guess I need to get my ass in before I get blown away. I'm about to go inside. Look, I'm doing my laundry, and this is what happened. Yeah.
Or near the city of Lebanon, and that's moving to the northeast at about.
Our question is, are classes canceled?
Underneath the rotation, probably seeing some very dark low-hanging clouds now around Cedar Grove Road.
Oh, on your street?
Also around, let's see, lots of driveways, lots of long driveways in this area. Brown Road.
This costume
is awesome.
I thought it's awesome. I know you're not talking to me, but it is awesome.
Also right over Maple Hill Road. So we're moving toward Hunter's Point and moving toward.
And they got first place.
And so that's where the.
Aww, my boyfriend just asked me if I was somewhere safe. Isn't that sweet? He's at work.
Back a few minutes ago. So now that's and moving right toward Hunter's Point.
Okay, I gotta go. But if anything else happens, I'll let you know. A tornado has been reported on the ground. We don't know if class is canceled or not. We confused. They locking people down. There's a tornado on the ground. Hell no! Look at this! Look at this bull! Y'all see this? Oh my! Okay, y'all.
You know that storm chase me?
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you to get your ass in the tub? Okay, yeah. This don't ever happen unless there's a tornado on the ground. Do you hear me? This don't ever happen.
At 12:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the National Weather Service document indicated it's a real thunderstorm.
No, I ain't got time to die today.
Wasn't that the square on TV too?
Yeah, that was a square on TV.
Yeah, that's not far from here at all.
No, the square's like 2 seconds away. Y'all, they done cut the cable off and put the emergency alert system. You know, like whenever a real tornado's for real. Yeah, that's on TV now.
And they had clouds.
It ain't even the news. It ain't even on the news no more. It's the emergency alert.
Computer's plugged up. Y'all computer plugged up.
Yeah.
Can I use it right quick?
Yeah, go to my room. This is not supposed to be happening. Is that a funnel cloud? Is that a funnel cloud? Is that one? Are these funnel clouds? I'm gonna need to know. You guys, that cloud touches the ground.
I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah, my mama told me grab my purse, grab my keys, grab my credit card, grab my cell phone, and she said if I needed to get out, to get out. somebody.
What free?
Bree outside on the bench. She over there. Right over there.
These are cute.
No, my mama told me get my purse, get my cell phone, get my credit card, get my keys, just in case if I get sucked up. At least I have my purse on my shoulder. Yes, I do. I better put my weave in my bag too. Guys, look at that. That's like a funnel cloud.
Where?
That thing.
That one right there, right there, right there.
Are those funnel clouds?
No, Dad.
Oh. Look at that thing. What is that thing? Is that a tornado? You guys, I've never had my pants blown like this before.
I've had my hair blown like this before.
Look at my pants. Okay, it's gonna stop for us. Watch this. Y'all probably think I'm stupid for recording this, but it's interesting. Yes, this is going on YouTube.